So, Hans, tell me about what we see here. What is it?
It's a praying mantis. Praying mantis? This praying mantis ain't knowing you, and it's called no.
What is he trying to do?
He's trying to get a drink of water.
This is his commentating voice.
He's kindly, and he also gets a hit of the black spot there, and that's his part of his body, but we don't know it. And you know what? You know why he has this? Because
Why?
it has to be so he has to be protected.
He looks camouflaged. He looks like a leaf, doesn't he?
Yeah, looks like a leaf, but he is not.
You think he's thirsty?
Yeah, you think he is, but he is. Yeah, I think he's going in, but he still is. You know that he's going in, and see his finally sink. What?
What about him, Hans?
I think he's trying to poop.
Go around this side.
He's
Oh,
posing for the camera.
he's looking. He's like, Gotta clean my leg off here.
I think he's trying to poop.
You think? I don't think so.
How do he poops?
How does he?
Yeah. But can we touch here?
Oh, don't touch him.
Why?
He might get mad at you.
And does
Look, he might go away. I don't want him to go away. What do you think, Hans?
I think he's going dead.
What do you have on your face? Rice? Mango? Ha ha, on your nose?
Now,
That's a pretty yummy looking plate you have there.
and let's give him some rice.
I don't think he's gonna like rice.
Well, then let's give him meat.
No, I don't think he wants meat either.
Well, then let's give him mango.
No, look at him. He's getting mad at me. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.